We are very fortunate today to be up in the beautiful western North Carolina mountains. It's October and the leaves are starting to change. Looking at this beautifully done Karmann Ghia. The owner's here, and he's going to show us what it sounds like when he's driving it. You'll also notice the hood is up on this, and one of the features that he put into it is he's got a remote deck lid, bonnet lid device on here. So he's going to shut that down for us and show us how that works. Okay. All right. Make sure it's latched, and he's going to come around the side over here. And if you look, you can see there's no door handles here. So he'll just pop that with his remote, get inside. He'll crank this up, and we'll take a look and see what this little thing sounds like when it's got it going there. I guess you can tell that's not a stock engine in it. It's been reworked, and it's putting out probably about 3 or 4 times what the normal Karmann Ghia engine has in it. But it's a beautifully done car, and he's put an awful lot of thought into this one with all the different details, with the certainly the engine rebuild, the remote control for the doors and for the back hatch, the bonnet hatch. The interior, he's got the Corvette seats in there that have been redone in a beautiful leather. Digital dash on it. He's got tachometer. Here he comes. Well, sounds pretty good. It's a beautiful car, beautifully done, and has to be a one-of-a-kind Karmann Ghia. Thanks for joining us.